I would recommend using Explora Secondary by BadgerLink for your world religions project. Because mainly this one will give you lots of articles you can utilize, but they also have some fantastic ebooks that cover full topics on our world religions. So, for example, if I type in Islam, I'm going to get a nice topic overview from the Salem Press Encyclopedia, but you're also going to get access to ebooks like Major World Religions or Understanding World Religions and Beliefs. So, for example, if I access this ebook, you will see here that they will give you access to all sorts of information about Islam in general. But say, for example, you are doing very specifically the breaking of the fast, you could actually type that in and you will see where in this online textbook you are going to find all the information about that. So here you'll see further information about what you would eat, what you can't eat, things like that. So at any rate, it is just like having the physical book in front of you, only you can do a search within that book and it will pull up the sections you need. So think of it as like the index in the back of the book, only full keyword searching. So I would definitely recommend utilizing Explora Secondary as well for your project.